Abisala, mga co-teachers and future educators. By the way, I am Ben Marbolus from PBTE 12, and today I will be discussing about, of course, audio-visual material. First, let us define what is audio-visual material. Diba? May pa-encantadyo tayo. So, audiovisual material or also known as instructional materials. Of course, it was derived from the word itself. Audio means with the use of our hearing, and visual with the utilization of our eyesight. So it is very important tools in every learning situation for us to the learning make it realistic from the lowest form to the highest form. Before, when we are a child, uh, we were taught with the use of the abacada by our parents, of course. And then when we are in our tertiary education, we were taught on how to utilize the use of PowerPoint presentation. From the lowest to the highest form of audiovisual materials. Classification of audiovisual aids. So we have from the audio, radio tape recorder, gramophone, lingophone, audio, CD, language laboratory. From the visual aids, we have the chart, picture, models, panel board, textbook, flashcard, slide projector, transparency, maps, black and white boards. And from the audio visual aids, we have the LCD projector, film projector, TV, computer, VCD player, virtual classroom, multimedia. Okay, then before the audiovisual aids usually utilized from learning institution, but now it was also used for the research purposes, and then in some other institution, of course, like library. In Singapore, okay, I have a short story to tell. In Singapore, when I was there way back 2015, so as you can see here, okay, so there they utilize the audiovisual materials. So it's very high tech. They have the computers. And here at the Marina Barrage, so actually it's just like a dam. So they have those though written on the walls, and then on the other side they have the a mock. So they have a example on how does their water converted into a clean water, so the Singapore can utilize it on their daily living. So here, the Urban Redevelopment Authority. So they have here the blueprint of how they will construct the future establishment or buildings in the city. So here we have the Land Transportation Gallery, or the LRT in our place, in our country. And then of course they use real objects in our exchange student program. And then they also have a demonstration, so we can able to understand more about their culture, of course, with their food. So the disadvantage is technical problems. We have the student the distractions, expensive, of course. It is time consuming, needs space and the convenience because it's not already available in every places. So what is my take out for this is audiovisual is from A for accurate, U unique, D dynamic, and then I interest stimulator, of course. O it's organized, and then it have different variation. I involve because it involves different learners, and then S supply, it supply all the information or the knowledge you have to know. And then U, of course, it is useful. A, it have to be attractive. And lastly, L, learning experience. You have to provide a unique and very diverse learning experience. So that's all about the audiovisual material. So I hope you learned a lot about my presentation. Until to the next vlog, thank you for listening, and Abisala Eshma!